And we're back, part 2. Today is still Tuesday, 2nd day of August, 2011. Got the chart rolling, we got the market replay going. We're on ×1. Okay? In other words, normal market speed. I'm going to bring up a DOM. Now the market replay, it's going to replay the market exactly as it unfolded. So you come home from your day job, whatever the case may be, and you want to sit down and you want to practice your trades, practice your setups. This is a tremendous tool. Okay. Now, for the basic sandbox trade, what we want is a bearish cross. In other words, the red MA1 crosses below the green BBC. We obviously can't do anything until we get south of this weekly trading zone. We had a pull back here that almost qualified, but it didn't. We now have one here at 11,937. See, so there's no guesswork. We know exactly to the tick where we want to enter the trade. So I'll just come right over here. 11,937. I want to sell 937 on a limit. I left click. Automatically, I have my target at 17. I have my stop loss at 57. Okay. I always trade with a bracket. The second I go live in the market, I have a stop, I have a target. I may increase the target, I may decrease the stop. But what you'll never see me do is increase my stop. I'll never widen my stop just to give it a little room to breathe. No, because emotions are coming into play. Oh, I just know it's going to come back. No, you decide before you get into the trade what risk that trade warrants, and then that's the risk that you trade with. Now you'll notice this has come down to 11,936. I'm going to hit cancel all. I could have drug it down. A couple different ways to do that. Now I'm going to sell 11,936 on a limit with a left click. I got a target. Got a stop. I enter with a 20 by 20 bracket, but once I'm live in the trade, I'm going to get my risk down to 10 points as quickly as possible. 11,936. We're just waiting to get triggered in. So now I'm going to speed this thing up. We're going to go ×3. 3 times the normal speed of the market. We almost got in right there. But now look where it is, 11,935. Just going to hit cancel all. I will now sell 11,935. Right here is where you increase your number of contracts, whatever you want it to be. It's now down to 934. Let me just show you what it looks like to drag it. Now to keep a true 20 by 20 bracket, you have to make sure and adjust that. And adjust that. Okay, we just got triggered in. See that? We touched market if touched 11,934. So we're in the market. We're live. Okay. Got a drawdown of 5 points right off the bat. That's our entry. 11,934. It's right here. Okay, this trade has lingered uncomfortably up here for me. Okay, I wanted to see it drop. So what I've got to do is I've got to come over here and I've got to reduce my risk. I went into the trade willing to risk 20. I'm only going to give it 10 at this point. Pull that down to 944. Yes. So now my risk is only 10 points. We're back to break even. See where the blue MA1 is here, 925. Because of the struggle, 925 is a place you would consider if price gets down there, because this is going to act as support. It's going to act as dynamic support live in the market. So watch what happens. Now remember, we opened the trade with a 20-20 bracket. We were risking 20 to make 20. Now we're only risking 10 to make 20. There's the MA1. If you don't like this trade, you could exit it here. You could exit at break even, not get hurt. Look, you got 7 points. You got 6. Plenty of opportunity as it's finding support here. Uh-oh, what's that? What just happened? The blue MA1 acted as support. Now, did you really think that on the very first video I would show you a winning trade? Like the other guys? No, I want to see, what I really want you to learn is risk management. Okay? This is today's market. I'm not going to pretend like I don't know what already happened. There you go. Stopped out. 10 points. This will end video 2. We'll be right back with part 3.